Transitioning from bottles to solid food is a significant milestone for babies and parents, and the best baby food makers make that change that much easier. Baby food makers provide convenience and a fresher alternative to store-bought baby food and can also save you money in the long run. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best baby food makers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Bear Baby Food Maker, a convenient and efficient solution for parents looking to provide nutritious meals for their little ones. With 330 watts of power and a compact plastic design weighing just 3.2 pounds, this all-in-one appliance simplifies the process of preparing homemade baby food. Its one-step functionality eliminates the hassle of multiple appliances, with preset options for vegetables, fruits, fish, or meat. The steamer and blender combination ensures nutrients, flavors, and vitamins are locked in during the cooking process, promoting healthy eating habits from the start. Featuring a 13 fluid-ounce mixing bowl and high-quality precision blades, the Bear Baby Food Maker can whip up delicious meals in minutes. Cleanup is a breeze with its self-clean function, saving time for busy parents. Safety is paramount. With FDA UL certification, BPA-free Triton material, and a safety lock design to prevent accidents. Priced at $79, it's an affordable investment in your child's health and well-being. Meet the Beaba Babycook Solo 4-in-1, the pinnacle of convenience and nutrition for parents and caregivers. With a robust 950 watts of power, this compact marvel operates as a steamer, blender, defroster, and reheater all in one, making it the first and best-selling baby food maker worldwide. Crafted from high-quality plastic and weighing a mere 4 pounds, it's a powerhouse packed in a lightweight design. Its 26 fluid-ounce steam bowl can prepare up to 27 servings of fresh baby food in just 20 minutes, perfect for busy parents looking to streamline meal prep. The elevated steam basket ensures minimal nutrient loss, while the auto shutoff timer guarantees hassle-free operation. Safety is paramount, with a secure locking mechanism and FDA-approved materials ensuring peace of mind. At $159, the Beaba Babycook Solo 4-in-1 offers unbeatable value, saving time and money while prioritizing your baby's health and well-being. It's not just a kitchen appliance, it's a game changer for feeding your little one. Discover Nutribullet Baby Steam Plus Blend, a revolutionary solution for busy parents seeking efficient and nutritious baby food preparation. Priced at $85, this all-in-one system seamlessly integrates the functions of a cooking pot, steaming basket, and blender into a single compact device. With just a turn of a dial, steam, blend, or engage the fully automated Steam Plus Blend cycle, saving you time and minimizing cleanup. Whether you prefer silky smooth purees or chunkier textures, the 3 blending functions offer versatility and control. Plus, the pre-programmed Steam Plus Blend cycle allows multitasking while ensuring your baby's food is prepared with care. Crafted with love, the system enables you to create fresh, delicious meals from wholesome ingredients, giving you peace of mind about what goes into your baby's diet. And cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe components and an easily wipeable blade. Simplify your baby food preparation journey with Nutribullet Baby Steam Plus Blend. Introducing the Beaba Babycook Neo, the pinnacle of convenience and nutrition in baby food preparation. Pioneers in the field, Beaba presents their latest model, featuring a glass bowl, stainless steel steam basket, and a large reservoir, all in one compact machine. With a powerful 450 watts, it swiftly steams raw ingredients like meat, fish, fruits, and veggies to perfection in under 20 minutes, preserving vital nutrients. Its 4-in-1 functionality allows for steaming, blending, defrosting, and reheating, catering to all stages of your baby's dietary needs. The 34-ounce capacity enables the creation of 34 servings in a single cooking cycle, perfect for batch preparations. Equipped with an auto shutoff timer and safety lock design, it ensures hassle-free and secure operation. Certified by various international food safety authorities, including the US FDA and Health Canada, this innovation prioritizes your baby's health and peace of mind. Invest in the Beaba Babycook Neo for $259 and revolutionize your baby's mealtime experience. Say hello to the Babymoov Duo Meal Station Food Maker 6-in-1, the #1 choice for parents seeking convenience and nutrition in one powerhouse device. Priced at $172, this versatile appliance combines a 500-watt steaming unit with a 110-volt 3-speed blender to effortlessly create healthy and delicious meals for your baby. Crafted from high-quality materials including Triton and BPA-free polypropylene, the Duo Meal Station ensures safety and durability. With 2 steamer baskets and a 9-ounce blending capacity, it allows for the preservation of nutrients, vitamins, and natural flavors, making mealtime both nutritious and enjoyable. Its large capacity streamlines meal preparation, enabling you to whip up a week's worth of fresh food in mere minutes. The intuitive LCD and audio alerts make operation a breeze, while its fully programmable settings provide added convenience. Designed with versatility in mind, the 6-in-1 functionality allows you to cook, blend, warm, and defrost food, eliminating the need for separate appliances and saving valuable kitchen space. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe components. Invest in the Babymoov Duo Meal Station Food Maker 6-in-1 for a seamless and nutritious feeding experience that both you and your baby will love. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.